What?
Can I turn this?
I think you peel that off, but don't do it yet. You're getting too, you're jumping into it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited for? What? Why are you punching? What are you excited for?
The thing.
The G6. Wait a minute. G6, there we go. It's just backwards.
Mommy.
What?
I had a spooky movie with Kenny.
Yeah, we're watching a Halloween movie. Okay. Miles, we ready? Okay.
I'm gonna take this.
Yeah, just a minute. Let's follow the directions, though. Okay, so it says wash and dry hands. Sure. Open applicator pack used, which you did already, which you have in your hand. Remove both tabs. You need to clean your site. Where do we put it? Right where?
Over here. You gotta put it over here somewhere.
Cold. Okay. Let that dry. Okay, now we can remove these tabs on here.
Oh, can I take
Okay, yeah, no, not that tab. It doesn't say that tab yet. Because otherwise you might push that button and it's going to stab you in the finger. Pull this thing down.
this?
Yeah. Carefully, please. There you go. Okay. Good job. Just moving some tabs off of there. Pull back. Does it come off easy? There you go. Perfect. Okay, so I'll show the camera how big this sucker is. That sucker's pretty big, huh? Okay, so now move it to the sensor site, place adhesive on the skin, fold and break off safety guard. Okay, so we put this on your skin first and then you can peel off that tab, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, wait! If you don't buy our tomatoes, my poor sister won't be able to afford her.
Okay, so I'm moving it around to make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Okay, now you can remove your tab.
What's there to talk about besides getting you out of this?
Okay, fold and break off this tab, so I think you twist it, kind of twist it off. You gonna twist it off?
Shallow jerk-faced cool guy wanna be no good swindler?
Can you get it?
I want my Kenny.
Just a minute, Bill.
What you doing, Chip?
What does it say?
Mama?
Fold and break off safety guard. There we go. Just, okay, there we go. Then we're gonna push it in. You ready?
I think I'll set up another booth and another. I will
Go.
stop until this whole farmer's market.
Well, that didn't hurt.
That didn't hurt?
Yeah.
You want a war?
Wow, that was pretty cool. That was cool. Look it. You want to show? So we got that on.
Just say the magic words.
That's nice. And it didn't hurt, you said?
Yep.
Nice. Okay. So now they say to snap. Okay, so you want to... Other way.
Other way?
No, like this.
I just did that way.
Oh, okay. Sorry, you're right. You know what you're doing. So you find it in a slot there. And you push in real hard. Did you get it in there?
Yep.
I heard a snap.
I heard a snap.
Wow, nice. Let's see. Very nice. Oh, we forgot to clean off our... Oh, well. Hopefully, I'm sure it'll still work. Wait, hold that up. We want to show the difference. And I'll pull your other sleeve up. Pull this sleeve up.
Of course. The best defense is a good offense. Don't worry, Tilly. We'll get him.
Now put your arms down and face this way. So we've got that sensor, which sticks out quite a bit. And then we have this one, which is more
Small.
smooth, huh? It's like flush, like so that way it won't like catch as much as this one, I think. It's pretty nice. You want to take that one off?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
What do you got on there?
Tape.
Yeah!
Ow.
Nice job, bud. High five. I like it.